Good morning. I am at Grand Targhee ski resort. I woke up at 4 this morning and drove down here. It was a pretty easy drive, and it was really nice because no one's on the road at that time. So there was no traffic. And I found out that I got 2 free passes to Targhee because I have a season Bridger pass. And I found that out about 2 days ago and then decided to drive down today. Bridger has hardly any snow, and I want to go snowboarding. I have yet to go this year, and it's December 17th or something like that. So I'm very anxious to get riding. I'm probably going to be pretty rusty today since I haven't gone this year yet. So I need to remind myself to take it slow, or else I will probably get hurt. But I have new snowboard boots this year, so we're gonna see how those go today. I probably should have tried them on a little bit longer than just trying them on at the store, but here we are. But I'm gonna be here today and tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep in my car, I think, because I don't want to have to pay. I have a heavy duty sleeping bag that I got this year, so should be able to keep me warm. I think it'll be fine, but we'll see.
but I'll get back on my feet and I'll try to move away from it all. Do you feel alive when you save yourself? It's a long way down, but I feel alive. None of this will break my bones, but the memories may hunt me down. But I will let go. It is on my mind, and in this heart there is room for you, even if you let me down.
Hello. I'm parked at a trailhead, hoping that I can spend the night here. I'm not super confident. It is a national forest, but it's also a trailhead, which a lot of times they don't allow camping there. But I'm gonna try because I'm tired and I don't want to have to find a new place. And I can get up at like 5 or something and leave anyway. It was a beautiful day today. Like sunny, warm, almost too warm. And thankfully I took one of my layers off before I headed out because I was kind of guessing that it was going to be a little bit warm, but wow. I had a Lunchable for lunch, which was actually very good. And I'm going to have the second Lunchable tomorrow for lunch. Yeah, I am so sore, and I'm going to be so sore tomorrow and so tired. I feel like I might just spend the night again tomorrow, depending on how tonight goes. And then leave in the morning, because based off of how I'm feeling right now, I don't know if I could drive 4 hours back to Bozeman. So, or like maybe I'll sleep a few hours and then head out. I don't know. Didn't really talk to anybody. I like had most chairlifts to myself. I think I really only rode up twice with people today, all day. And I was here at first chair to 3 o'clock on a Sunday, which is crazy. I'm currently backing up my Insta360 videos, just so that everything is good and I can record some more tomorrow. I am probably gonna go to bed by like 6. I'm very tired, and I have my bed kind of set up. I ordered a foam mattress, and it's not going to be delivered till like January something, so I'm just going to sleep on a bunch of pillows and hope that it is comfortable enough. We'll see. Not too sure. But wow. It was a really good day. Hello. Good morning. I slept pretty decent. I mean, I stayed perfectly warm in the sleeping bag that I got. It's like a heavy canvas sleeping bag that's flannel lined, and it's pretty nice actually. Very happy with it. I got it from like a hunting and fishing store. Would not recommend backpacking with it because it's so heavy, but kept me perfectly warm, and that's all that I wanted out of it. Did not get bothered by any sort of authority figure about camping, so that was great. I was a little nervous about that. Got up early and came to Snorkel's Cafe at like 7:15 and got coffee and had a bagel and watched the sunrise, which was really nice. And yeah, my throat kind of hurts and I'm extremely tired, so I'm probably not going to go as hard today as I did yesterday. I did 3 different hikes. Well, 2 up to Mary's and then 1 other random hike. And my legs are bruised and have blisters on them. But it was good. We'll see kind of how today goes. I'm going to take it slow and try not to overdo it, because I can feel that I'm starting to get sick. But yeah, we'll see. Should be good though. It's amazing how quick things came back. I went off like little jumps yesterday and was like fully comfortable, and it was really great. Yeah, so really happy with how it's going.